Detailing your vehicle inside and out will not only improve its appearance, it'll make riding in it more enjoyable too. Here's what you'll need. And keep in mind, you may find buying a car care kit more cost-effective. First, start by removing any trash and debris from the interior. Then, thoroughly dust using a microfiber cloth. Next, remove the floor mats and thoroughly vacuum the interior. Shake out and vacuum the floor mats. Use a foaming carpet cleaner on mats or floor if heavily soiled. Then clean out and vacuum the trunk. Be sure to wipe down the steering wheel, dash, and center console with a mild all-purpose cleaner. And use an ammonia-free glass cleaner on interior windows. You'll also want to clean or shampoo the seats. For cloth, shampoo with an upholstery cleaner, then remove any product residue with a clean, damp cloth. Now move back to the exterior of the vehicle to rinse the tires and wheel wells. Allow a degreaser to sit on the rims a few minutes. Then use a scrub brush to clean. Once you've washed and rinsed the tires, apply a protectant to the sidewalls. Before washing the exterior, rinse it thoroughly to loosen dirt. Then use soap to clean one section at a time. Rinse and dry each section before moving to the next, so the soap doesn't dry, leaving marks. Polishing is a great way to remove light scratches in the finish. If using a power polisher, keep the pad moving side to side. To shine up trim, apply a metal cleaner, fully coating the surface. Once dry, wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. This should leave a bright sheen. To protect your freshly washed vehicle, wax it. With an applicator pad, spread a liquid wax in overlapping circles, one section at a time. Wipe when dry. Finally, clean the exterior windows and mirrors. Avoid streaks by coating the glass, then wiping horizontally. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.